traction weight. Yung iba naman, pag sinabing remove the traction weight, tatanggalin lahat, pati yung traction rope sa Steinman pin holder. Do not remove your traction rope to the Steinman pin holder. You just secure it on the resist spring para may continuous na hila. So, isang ikot sa resist spring. The middle curve hits nut to the Thomas spring. Another curve hits nut to the Pearson attachment. And then you just consume the rope just to prevent it from hanging. So, kahit na natanggal na yung traction weight natin, diretso pa rin, oh. Diba? May hila pa rin. Okay. So, now we're ready to transfer the patient from the bed to the stretcher. Now, where are you going to place the stretcher? Sa affected or unaffected side?
Unaffected.
Ha? Saan natin ilalagay ang stretcher? Affected or unaffected? Unaffected. So you have to bring or you have to place your stretcher on the unaffected side. Idikit dito sa kama. And then you support the affected extremity. Ibaluktot yung walang kapansanang paa. And then advise the patient now to move towards the stretcher. So that is how to transfer your patient from the bed to the stretcher. So even if you are alone, you can transfer the patient. You don't need to call the manong and the manang to help you in transferring the patient. Kahit mag-isa ka lang, hindi mo naman, you don't have to bring the patient, gaganunin mo pa. You will just support the affected extremity, then yung pasyente, ibaluktot yung walang kapansanang paa, usog lang siya, kasi nakadikit naman yung stretcher. Okay? So that is how to transfer your patient from the bed to the stretcher. Now the nursing care will be discussed by your respective clinical instructor, and that ends your orientation, and have a